Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register for the Clash of Clans World Championship, ensuring you understand each crucial step. This guide is designed to make the process straightforward for every aspiring competitor. First, ensure your entire team meets the fundamental eligibility criteria. This foundational step is absolutely vital before proceeding with registration. We will then walk you through accessing the official Supercell ID registration portal with ease. To qualify, every player on your team must possess a minimum Town Hall level of 14. Teams must consist of exactly 5 unique players. No substitutes are allowed at the initial registration phase. The designated team captain holds the primary responsibility for all communication and managing the entire team's registration. Ensure every member of your 5-player roster is committed, meets the criteria, and is fully ready for the competition. Navigate to the official Clash of Clans Esports website or directly access the in-game portal. Log in using your Supercell ID, which is essential for verification. You will then meticulously enter your chosen team name, ensuring it is unique and appropriate. Finally, provide each of your 5 team members precise player tags, double-checking for any errors. This careful entry helps avoid any disqualification issues. The registration window will open at a specific time, usually for several weeks. It is crucial to monitor the official Supercell Esports announcements for precise dates and times. Missing the final deadline will unfortunately mean your team cannot participate in this year's qualifiers. We strongly advise registering your team well in advance to prevent any potential last-minute complications or technical glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.